Today I'm going to show you how to instantly create videos with Krea.ai. We're in Krea.ai. On the left hand side you'll see your toolbar. On the left, make sure that you've clicked on video. You'll get to this point over here. What we want to do is add in our prompt. So this is the prompt that we're using. We want to make the hand throw the key into the first frame and have the car appear where the key drops on the floor. Now this is common, you've probably seen it online, and we're going to do it right over here. Now if you click over here, you can actually see different models that you can choose from. So go ahead, choose a model that suits your needs best. Okay, so we're going to just say 2.1. This is the fastest low quality model with video LoRa support. We can also use 2.2, or we can just use the Hello 2.3. Now, what we need to do is we need to add in a start frame. So let's go ahead and click on here and then click on upload. We can now go ahead and click on end frame and upload our end frame. All right, we've got our second frame in over here. So basically what we're going to do is we want this hand to throw the key, and where it lands, this car will appear like magic. Let's go ahead and click on this icon here. So here you go is the result. So we've got our first frame and we've got our second frame in over here. It's all glitchy, but if you go and make sure that your prompt is well engineered, you will have a decent video.